Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix Face ID not working or not available on iPhone 15, 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max series. So guys, many iPhone 15 users are complaining that after buying iPhone 15 their Face ID is not working or not available on their iPhone 15 and they don't know how to fix this issue. So guys, if you are too facing this issue, so don't worry. In this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix this Face ID not working issue on your iPhone 15. So guys, first of all, you have to ensure Face ID is enabled. Go to your settings, go back and go to Face ID and passcode. Enter your passcode and then make sure that your Face ID is enabled. If it's disabled, then simply set your Face ID. After setting your Face ID, then you have to clean the True Depth camera. True Depth camera system used for Face ID can be affected by dirt, dust, or subjects. Gently clean the front camera and sensor with a soft lint-free cloth. After cleaning the True Depth camera, then you have to reset Face ID. If Face ID is not working correctly, you can reset it simply going to your settings and then tap on Face ID and passcode. Enter your passcode and scroll down and you can see your option reset Face ID. Simply tap on it and follow the on-screen instruction to set up Face ID again. After resetting Face ID and still facing the same issue, then you have to check for iOS update. Ensure that your iPhone 15 is running the latest version of iOS. Go to your settings and tap on General, tap on Software Update, and if there is any available update for your iPhone 15, then simply update your iPhone 15 to the latest version of iOS. After applying this all solution and still facing the same issue, then you have to try last solution, reset all settings. You can try resetting all settings on your iPhone 15. This won't erase your personal data but will reset your settings to their default. Go back and then go to your transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset all settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.